Mitsubishi Dialtone D160 was a massive 60-inch subwoofer built in the 1980s, weighing 800 kilowatts, powerful enough to shatter windows and cause ground vibrations felt up to 2 kilometers away. Its indoor test at the Koriyama plant was halted when ceiling lights fell. Outdoor tests caused vibrations and noise disturbances in the surrounding neighborhood, with noticeable effects like shaking walls and windows, even at long distances. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.